Hello, my dear students. Yesterday we talked about the meristematic tissue, meristematic tissue, the features of meristematic tissue, and on the basis of location, we have divided the meristematic tissue into apical meristem, into apical meristem, intercalary meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. I will explain these three types of meristems. I have already talked about these three types of meristems according to the position in the plant, which I showed you yesterday. Apical meristem. It is the meristematic tissue which is present at the apex of the plant, or you can say plant tips of the plant. Either it may be root tip or shoot tip. But in case if I draw here, it is a plant having this root, it is the shoot tip. That means here it is apical meristem, and here it is the root. But in case of root, the apical meristem is not at the tip, but that apical meristem is protected by a pocket like structure that is known as root cap. That means in case of roots, the apical meristem is not at the apex, is not at the tip, but that apical meristem is covered by the root cap. Here it is apical meristem, root apical meristem, root. Why it is covered by root cap? Because the root have to be present in the soil and grow into the soil. The soil can harm, because these apical meristems, they are living. They can be harmed by the soil particles. They can be damaged by the soil particles. But the nature has protected these vital cells for the plant with the help of the cap that is known as root cap. Therefore, this root cap is present at the tip, and beneath the root cap, below the root cap, there is a root apical meristem. I again repeat it. In roots, the root cap is subapical. That means it is not at the tip but below the tip. On the tip of the roots, it is root cap, so that it is protected against the damage which may be caused by the soil. These apical meristems, they divide. For example, this is the cell. If this is the first cell, it divides mitotically. Mitotic division. I already discussed with you in last lesson the mitotic division and the meiotic division. Mitotic division, that means this cell divides into two. The cell which is below is converted in the permanent cell, and the cell which is present at the tip, it retains the meristematic activity. That means these cells get like this, and the growth occurs in the plant. That means growth in height, it occurs by the apical meristem, both in case of roots and leaves. The apical meristem can also be present on the branch tip. If it is a branch and the branch is also having a tip, here it is also present apical meristem. That means on every tip of the plant, whether it may be root tip, shoot tip, or any other tip, and that tip has the meristematic tissue or apical meristem. And this apical meristem helps us in the primary growth. What is primary growth in case of plants? Primary growth means growth in height of the plant. The plant grows from small to bigger, and this condition is known as primary growth. When the plant grows from small to big, this is known as primary growth. Primary growth occurs in all types of plants. in all types of plants, the primary growth occurs. That means the growth in height occurs due to the mitotic activity, or you can say meristem and apical meristem. Either it may be root apical meristem or shoot apical meristem. And these all meristems, the apical meristem, they are responsible for the primary growth. That means growth in height. Primary growth means growth in height.